There's some parts of a renovation that, of course, you're not an electrician. You got to call one. You might not be really good at plumbing. You got to call somebody. But if you can save money and improve profitability, and let's face it, have some good downtime together and, shoot the whatever and have a couple beers while you're finishing some little details that you don't have to hire somebody.
Right.
It all goes back into the pocketbook.
One thing that I did not realize we were going to be doing is creating jobs, because we created, for the guy who comes in the paint, the debris removal, the plumber, the electrician. We hire 7 or 8 people on one project. People who contractors that now are in our Rolodex, and we're like, oh, we got a new project, or they're constantly coming back to us saying, hey, you have some more work for us. Right. So that's one way that we're able to get back. The other way too is that curb appeal, raising the property value, making a place nicer, taking a boarded up house that children are walking past to their neighborhood school, and they no longer have to go past that terrible looking house. Perfect example of this, wait, a lot of times when we see terrible looking vacant lots, we were like waiting for somebody else to do something about it. I didn't wait. When I saw it right across the street, this is when I had a house in Bronzeville, if people are familiar with Southside. And when it was a vacant lot, and it had a car that was just left there with shattered windows and this, that, and the other. And it was there for like 3 days. I'm like, how did it even get there? And I went to the alderman's office, told the alderman what was going on. She said she would get the car removed, but then the lot was still there looking terrible. So then what I did is I said, you know what? People are doing community gardens. I went to Home Depot, talked to the general manager. Then I went to the fire department, to the police department for caps. And then I went to all the neighbors and put posters on the walls everywhere. I had the whole neighborhood come out for a weekend. And Home Depot, they have money put aside for these gardens, and Lowe's does too. And then they came out and gave us employees for 8 hours, and we just beautified that entire lot.
Awesome.
Yeah,
That's
that's
the kind of
And
energy
people
that
can
we
do
want.
this across the city. Whatever neighborhood you're in
I just
Chicago,
learned some real
you can
shit
do
right
this
now.
too. You can organize and get it together. We did it. You can do it too.